In today we've got a Nissan Navara 2007 D40. It's coming with a turbo fault. Basically the seals have collapsed inside the turbo unit and it's dumped its oil into the intake system. Now we've replaced the turbo, which is with a reconditioned unit. What you really need to do now is we need to remove the intercooler and clean out the system to make sure that we don't cause any further engine damage, i.e. basically if you don't clean this system out, the oil will go through the intake system and it'll hydraulic and bend the valves. So I'm going to remove this intercooler now. As you can tell, if you're going to do a job like this, you need to be prepared. I've put a tray underneath the engine there to catch any oil that might escape once I remove this system. And straight away now we've got oil coming out of there. As you can see there's quite a lot of oil there. And a lot of oil there. So if you don't do this, you are causing yourself major problems in the future. If you've got a Nissan Navara and you need our help, give us a bell on 01274 651 574. Thanks again.